When you go to Disney World, you already know exactly where the most famous princess lives. She has that giant, beautiful castle sitting right in the middle of the Magic Kingdom. But what about you? Where do you live like a princess while on vacation? You get the Royal Palace next door, Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. It is a massive hotel with stark white walls and bright red roofs, sitting right on the edge of a giant blue lake. To do this right, we need to use the Princess Playbook. This is a special checklist of rules to make sure you are living like real royalty. By following these rules, your regular hotel room turns into a real-life fairy tale where you are the main character. Here is rule number 1. Every princess needs a royal ballroom. When you walk through the front doors, the main lobby is absolutely gigantic. There is a birdcage big enough to stand inside and a live piano player filling the whole room with music for dancing. But you know it is a true ballroom when you look up and see these massive sparkling lights hanging down from the ceiling. Rule number 2. You must have a magical bath. The grown-ups can go to the quiet, boring pools. You are going straight to the Alice in Wonderland splash pad. This entire area is built for high-energy running, splashing, and playing. The absolute best part is the Mad Hatter's giant green hat. You wait underneath it until it slowly tips over and dumps a massive waterfall. Being royal means you get to make a mess and be as loud as you want. Now for rule number 3. You must eat royal feasts. There are some very fancy, very quiet restaurants here, but we are going to skip those. Real royalty requires breakfast foods like waffles shaped like Mickey Mouse and the most colorful cupcakes you can find. And here is a secret. A spot called Gasparilla Island Grill has the absolute best macaroni and cheese in all of Disney World. Rule number 4 is that a princess must always look for hidden friends. Disney characters are secretly woven right into the building. If you look down at the floor tiles, you can spot Cinderella. If you look around the lounge, you can find the Rose from Beauty and the Beast. You can even find the dancing penguins from Mary Poppins hiding right there on the pillows. The closer you look at the walls and the furniture, the more magical friends you discover. Rule number 5. To get to the Magic Kingdom, a princess needs a royal chariot. Normal cars are boring. Here, your chariot is a flying train called the monorail. It picks you up right inside the hotel and zooms right through the sky, dropping you off directly at the park gates. If you want a different chariot, you can hop on a boat and take a cool, breezy ride straight across the lagoon to the castle. When you live at the palace, the magical adventure starts before you even step foot inside the theme park. The ride there is a ride all by itself. But the biggest secret of the palace is that the magic continues even after you leave the theme park for the day. You can actually watch the Magic Kingdom fireworks show without ever leaving the hotel. You get to put on your most comfortable pajamas, grab a late-night treat, and stand right out on the grass or your own private balcony. You get to watch the spectacular grand finale exploding high over the water, right from the comfort of your very own backyard. The Grand Floridian gives you your very own palace, making sure your Disney fairy tale lasts all night long.